Something's wrong.
Tommy! We have to get Tom!
Daddy, Mommy, what's happening?
It's okay, buddy. I've got you. Let's go.
You really need to see this. This YouTube channel, Emma Daily English, is raking in about $11,000 every single month. And this channel started just about 7 months ago. Every of their videos are getting hundreds of thousands of views and even millions. And this is not the only channel. This second channel, English for Beginners, also makes almost $3,000 every single month. And this channel posted their very first video about 4 months ago. I'm sure you want to say, but Zara, they've been in the game for a while. Check out this third channel. And this is another channel making almost $200 every single month, posting similar videos, and they posted their very first video about 1 month ago. So this particular niche is still very new, interesting, and getting massive views. All these three channels have something in common. They use storytelling to teach people how to speak English. Very simple and effortless. Before now, you would need 5 different AI tools to come up with a complete video, but not anymore. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create this type of animated videos from scratch without using 5 different AI platforms. Everything will be done inside one tool. If you are coming across this channel for the very first time, welcome. I am Zara and I plug you to AI tools that makes you work smarter. If you are new here, consider subscribing because massive value awaits you. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. You are my real MVP. Now let's get right into the video. This platform does all the work for you with just a single prompt. It also works perfectly on your mobile phone, so no laptop, no problem. Now to get access to this platform, grab the link in the description and it will bring you right here, or just go to Google and search for Anijam AI. At the top right corner, click on Start for free and sign up using any of your Google accounts. And this is what the user interface looks like. Immediately you sign up, you get 1,500 credits for free. And every single day where you check in, you get 200 credits. Now my credit is 1,700. To get started, come to the chat bar here and put in your idea. You can either give it a detailed prompt or just give it an idea of what you want to do. I'm just going to paste in my idea, my story idea here. I wanted to generate a 1-minute story in 3D pixel style of 3 families that their house got burnt. And I'm just going to click on enter right here. And as you can see, Anijam gets straight to work with what it has to do. Come to the right hand side here to set up your project configuration. This story is for all ages and I want to post it on YouTube. I want it in 16:9 aspect ratio and I want it in a dialogue format. So I'm just going to click on dialogue right here and I want it in 1 minute. So you can click on the plus sign here to increase it as high as 25 minutes video. Yes, you heard that right. But for the purpose of the story, I'm just going to leave it at 1 minute and I click on confirm right here. And the AI agent continues its work. And whenever it needs me to make an input, it's just going to prompt it right here and I'll respond to it. Now click on style design and it will continue generating for you. Now we have to choose the type of 3D pixel style we want. I want this one, but if you don't like any of the ones displayed here, click on style library and you would see a whole lot of styles that you can select from. Look at this amazing different video styles that you can choose from. I'm going to use this exact one here, this cute 3D. That is the style I want. Now click on concept design and it will begin to generate the images required for your story. As you can see, the work is going on right here. So I'm just going to click on control and zoom in a little. Now I'm just going to click on generate all concept. And now, as you can see, the storyboard is ready. These are each of the characters that are going to be available in this video, plus the scenes. If you move to the right hand side, you see the scenes right here. Now look at your right hand side here. We have the AI direct mode and we have the workflow mode. The AI direct mode allows this AI to do everything for you while you just fold your hands and wait for the video to be ready. While the workflow mode takes you on the step-by-step journey of the video creation. I'm going to be using Kling 0.3 to do this, and I'll go for the AI director mode to save our time, and I'll click on confirm. Now we have this question: generate in batches or generate all at once? To save our time, I'll go with generate all at once. And guys, the video is ready. Look at it right here. This is our canvas. To take a preview at your video, to make sure everything is fine before you download it, click on the timeline at the top right here, and it will put the video on your timeline. So you can play it and make sure that everything is fine before you export it to your device. If there's any problem, you can come back to the chat box and chat with the AI agent to make the necessary correction before you export your video. Now let's go back to the canvas. To make any corrections, you can just come here, pick the hand grabbing tool right here and move this. These are all the scenes that are in this video. We have video 1, video 2, 3, 4, 5. You can play each of them and make sure that they are in line with what you want. If they are not, just come back to the chat box and tell the AI agent to edit video 1 or video 5 or video 3 and then add it back to your timeline. Once all that is done and you have previewed your video, you like what you see, click on open timeline editor right here, and at the top right corner, click on advanced exports. I'm just going to leave all the settings like this, and I click on start export, and this is going to export the video right onto my device.
Good one, buddy.
Something's wrong.
Tommy! We have to get Tommy!
Daddy, Mommy, what's happening?
It's okay, buddy. I've got you. Let's go.
We made it. We're all safe.
Always together.
If you're serious about creating videos like this consistently, I would highly recommend that you upgrade to the Pro version because it unlocks more powerful features and high quality output. If you got value from this video, please give it a like, leave a positive comment, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials like this. Till I come your way next time, I remain your girl Zara. Before you go, do well to check out some of my previous videos and you definitely won't be disappointed. Let's meet in the comment section and let me know what you think about this too. See you in the next one.